please check the iPhone 11 LCD assembly structure. It has 3 parts. They are the front glass, bracket, and LCD. LCD assembly needs to be tested before operation. Make sure the display and touch functions are good. If the front glass is severely cracked, it is better to do some protection to the LCD assembly, to avoid the damage to the touch panel and screen. For this matter, we can put a new glass on the front glass of the LCD by UV glue. Preheat the heater to 100 degrees Celsius. Firstly, remove the earpiece mesh, then cut off the LCD assembly bracket. Set the temperature of the separator to 280 degrees Celsius. Clamp the LCD assembly bracket with needle nose pliers. Separate the LCD assembly bracket while heating. During this process, please pay attention to protect the LCD flex cable. Because the temperature is very high, the LCD flex cable cannot touch the separator heating piece. When we get to this corner, we don't need to continue heating, just cut the pieces off, and then you do the same process on the other side. Let's see it again. The brackets in the driving direction of the LCD assembly do not need to be separated. We'll do it the other way later. Set the temperature of the preheating station to 100 degrees Celsius. Because of the residual glue on the LCD assembly, it is very easy to damage the TP assembly. Before separating the front glass, the glue residue needs to be cleaned up. After cleaning up the residual glue, start with one corner of the notch. When the wire is close to the middle position of bang's notch, start with the other corner of fringe notch. Once the wire is fully in, then you can do the usual separation. When all the process finished, don't pick up the LCD. Do it more times. Make sure the LCD is completely separated from the front glass. Take out the LCD. When you place OCA glue, you place one corner first, and then the other corner, then press it by the roller. In general, there will be bubbles after OCA is applied. You can put it in a defoaming machine for defoaming. The alignment of the iPhone 11 LCD is simple. Keep the LCD in the middle of the front glass, then push the LCD to the top of the bracket. Finally, adjust the driving direction of the LCD. Make a simple positioning mark when the alignment is complete. The next step is to use a laminating machine.